Hey everybody, it has been quite a while since I've done a video. This one is going to be the introduction to a group build I'll be hosting. I have hosted for the last 3 years, I do believe. So this will be the 2024 Halloween group build. You can build anything, any type of kit, as long as it's geared towards Halloween. So it could be any kind of building kit. You can even take a regular car kit or truck kit and make it into something spooky. You can make it look like a movie. You can make it look like anything. Just your imagination is what drives these Halloween group builds. So it could be anything you want, as long as there's a way you could tie it to Halloween. So it would I should have did an introduction earlier, but I didn't. But this one would be going from today all the way to October 31st, a couple days after Halloween. So, like I said, any kit, just do me a favor and in the comments write I'm in, so I can kind of keep an eye on what you're building. And that's what makes it fun to do a group build, is see everybody else's builds. I do apologize for the last minute info. Last couple weeks I've been fighting a cold, and then weeks before that I was busy as can be, doing all kinds of fun stuff, so kind of slipped past me. And then I was thinking, well, if I'm going to do it, I better post it now or post it. So hopefully it gets to you guys as soon as you can. Normally a Halloween group build don't take longer than a month, so 2 months should be fine. So let me know. This is going to be the kit I'm going to build. I've had this kit for quite some time, and I've always wanted to do it for the Halloween group build. And so what it is the actual coach. And I got it from a second-hand guy, but this was quite a old one, but it was in the 91, where you could mail in, and they'd ship you the kit, so it came in a different box. Let's see if it says a date. I don't say a date anywhere, so I'm assuming it's still going to be 91. But it's all loose. It's quite lovely how loose it is in this kit. There's some plastic there. So my plan is to do Dragula, and then if I have time I'm going to do the coach. But there's a bunch of like loose axles in there and stuff. The wheels are plastic. There's a cockpit for the Dragula. This is more for the coach. All the black plastic is the coach. But might as well go over the whole thing. But that's the frame and the seats for the coach. Windshield, and that has some rear supports for the seat, and steering wheel, a big cool shifter. The interior of the coach. Fender flares or wheel covers. Firewall, I believe, for that one. Another seat. Them are some wild seats, I tell you. Some tires. Good detail, but they're hard plastic. Sometimes them are cool, sometimes they're not. But if you paint them up bright, you can't even tell. And then you don't have to worry about them not fitting good, because they will fit perfect because of plastic. There is the gauge cluster, and then the chassis to the coach. Pretty cool. They had a bunch of these. I bet you could do a lot of cool projects with them, modifying them and that. But even the roof ceiling's detailed. So the reason why I might not do this is because of the detail painting. We'll see. The instructions, both are in one. Oh man, here's a coach's glass. Chrome tree. This one is Dragula, because I could tell by the exhaust pipes. And then this is the coach. Looks like one of the lantern's headlights for it. So I haven't opened this one yet. Let's cut that bag open. So the cool coffin. You got some wheels, you got the seats. Now this goofy piece goes with the surfboard. So these go and this go with the surfboard. I don't think they have anything to do with the show. I think they have to do with just other designs that they had for that car. But I don't ever remember them having it on the show. But I could be wrong. Could be one of them ones that they didn't show a bunch of reruns on. Here's the engine, carburetors, pipes. I don't know if this is the bottom or if it's the bottom of the that one might be the bottom of the surfboard, because it's supposed to have like a little motored surfboard. And that might be what that goes to too. I don't know. Because that might be part of it. I'll have to wait and see. Yeah, I think them two go together, and I think they go to the surfboard. Other halves of the wheels, cool Firestones. And here's the bottom chassis. So I'll go like that. And then the wheel backs. I think that goes to the surfboard too. So most of the, not a lot of pieces go to that. A lot of the chrome pieces do. There's quite a bit of chrome. And now the exhaust pipes, they look really cool, but they don't have no holes in the end, so the detail's not there. So what I did, I took those and drew them up in CAD. I might have to modify them again, but I 3D printed them. They got the holes in them. I did them in clear just to get a nice cure on them. But like down here, I had to, those need more supports. So I'm gonna test fit with these, and then I'll probably print again. But I created those. These are the intakes for the coach. And then I also got the exhaust pipes for a coach. And I'll probably have to reprint all these. There's little problems with each one, but they're already above the kit pieces. So I do have all those. But that's it for showing the kit. Like I said, please just put in the comments if you're in. Sorry for waiting until last minute. And hopefully this will be another successful year. I appreciated all the past years, everybody joining. if you're in, just start building right as soon as you can, and then we'll see from there. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.